welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the week. It is Wig Wednesday. This unit was given to me, actually, I'm not even gonna say it was given to me. It was purchased about 2.5 years ago, and the hair itself was just like, it spoke to me. It was like, ah, when I seen it on the mannequin, like, it was beautiful. Like, it was so bomb, so bomb. The curls though, who don't want curls? Like, who don't want to bring out some curls? Let's get straight into this breakdown. Okay, so in this category, I'm going to have to give it a full 2. And I know this is kind of surprising because it's a synthetic curly wig and the construction of this wig is just like, what? So, when I mean girl, this wig ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. There is absolutely no reason for you to glue this down. This is legit a glueless, sturdy, curly wig. The wind blows, you blowing with the wig. Trust me, it ain't going nowhere. This hairline, going nowhere. Nowhere, sis. We have a comb right here, a comb right here, and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. I latched the straps together. I stuck them combs in. My hair is braided down, regular pleats going back. Nothing spectacular. You know, it's a little bit moisturizer under there. It's a little dry, but we'll get into another video on how to get that under part laid. But yeah, I have to give it a full 2. Very easy construction. It's literally on a full wig cap. Can't really go in between to really grease up your scalp because it's one of those closed caps. It's not netted, so you really can't grease. So I would advise, if this is going to be an all day wearing wig or a multiple day wig, you need to like grease that scalp, put it on. Before we close out this category, I must say the lace is hard. And I'm not going to take no points away from it because even though the lace is hard, it's still sturdy. It stays, it doesn't really do much. Like, it stays in place. But the density, the beautifulness of this wig, it's so beautiful. Like, oh, how can you not like this wig? How can you not like this wig? This wig was provided by a company called Chade Fashion. So for this category, I'm going to have to give it a 2. Because just off the simple fact that this wig is almost 3 years old and it's still bomb AF, like bomb AF. You can't go wrong. Like, honey, yeah, there's a little bit tangling, but you can always detangle with some conditioner, or for synthetic wigs, you know, there's a little trick I like to do with some fabric softener and some hot water with a pinch of other things. Like, I'm gonna get there though. I'm gonna get there. Don't worry. We got a video for that too. But yeah, for the maintenance, I'm gonna have to say a full-blown 2 because it's easy to wash. Even though it tangles up, because it's a curly wig, it's going to happen. It still maintained itself. Like, almost 3 years, sis. Almost 3 years. Now for this category, I'm gonna have to give it a 2 because the style of this wig is super fire. The bangs were actually a little longer. They actually came down to like right here, and I had to cut them. And then I put a bobby pin right here just to lift it so it can have a little shortness in the front to give it the illusion of a bang. Sometimes I like to wear it long. Sometimes I like to leave it out. Sometimes I like to flatten it down for a more subtle look. But because of the volume of this wig is just like, no, I want it to be big. I am dying for my real hair to get this big, girl. Woo, you can't tell me nothing when that happened. Woo. But on another note, I wouldn't dare dye this wig. Like I said, it's a synthetic wig. It's not worth dyeing. I wouldn't change this. It might turn green. We all have been there. Like, girl, next. Now for this category, I might, you know, I'm going to give it a 1 because it took to the heat, but I couldn't put the heat up because I was scared that it was going to melt. But after the video, during edit, you know, when the little pop-up comes up right here, you know, this pop-up, this is how much heat it can hold. And I used a regular little wand, and it, you know, it held for 2 seconds, and then it was just like, bleh. It didn't do good. It was just, put it this way, there's no need to touch this wig. Just don't touch it. Okay, so for the last category, I don't know. I really, it's hard to decide because the hair is beautiful. It's, you know, it's soft. In some places, like right here, it's really soft. But then, even with it being soft, it tangles up so fast. Like, the quality, like, boom. Like, it tangles up so fast, which is going to happen. But the hair mattes really quickly. It mattes really quickly. So I'm gonna have to give it a 1 because it's semi-soft, but it still has that synthetic feel, and the hair itself, it smells like plastic. Like, it smells like wig. It smells like plastic synthetic wig, like from the beauty supply store, straight out the basket. I mean, out of the plastic. Like, it smells just like it. So that's the only thing that I don't like about this. Me personally, I take hairspray or hair perfume that you can get like from Ulta or beauty supply store or even Bath and Body Works, things like that. I used to, I like to spray it so it doesn't smell so plasticky, if that's a word. But yeah, I'm going to have to give it a 1. Well, guys, that's it for the categories. I'm going to have to say Chade Fashions, your curly cutie collection unit. I'm going to have to give it a 8. A whole 8. It is definitely a beautiful wig. It's just bomb. But the mattifying and the texture of it, once it, starts to feel collected together, it's not worth it. It's, but for the price of, I believe, $24.99, which is very inexpensive and affordable for those who may, want a quick curly look. They don't have to really do much, low maintenance, boom. Let me stop right there. Not low maintenance. It's maintenance to this wig. It is. You got to keep up with it, because if you don't, it's just, sis, you're going to look a mess. Keep up with your wigs. Maintain your wigs. There's actually a video of how to revive, maintain, and style your wigs. Even the ones that just stop looking like a wig. I got you, sis. So that concludes today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning back into Wig Wednesday. I actually have a double feature for you. So when you're done, click the link down below for the second video of Wig Wednesday. Can't go wrong. Don't miss it. I still haven't come up with a way to end my videos. Like, I probably might have one. I'm going to think about it.